guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts and
Isma.
Today we'll be testing out these new classic arcade machine games, in which we'll be looking at Centipede, Qbert, as well as Frogger. Now these here are preset games that actually feature classics, in which it does come with everything fully authentic, so it should be quite fun to take a look at it. You ready, Isma?
Yes.
Let's go ahead and unbox them. Alright, so the first thing we'll look at is this Qbert arcade machine, in which you do see the character kind of sitting right there. It actually looks quite cute, isn't that right, Isma?
Yeah.
Now, the arcade machine itself is highly detailed. I mean, you can see the different red buttons over here, even the little joystick. You got some stickers on the sides, even on the side over here too. Now, the packaging itself looks really neat. In the back, it kind of shows how it works. So it says, hop on each cube to change the color, watch out for the enemies like Slick and Coily, and ride the flying disc back to the top and escape the enemies. Now, you can click this button here. So you'll see the screen on, in which it is fully colored, so that's actually a really nice detail to it. Most of these machines aren't colored, so it actually does give it a nice kind of real aspect to it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so this here is an instruction manual in which it says it does take 3 AA batteries, but they are included, so do keep that in mind. Now this here is our arcade machine. It's actually pretty nicely sized. Now it is quite light as well, it doesn't weigh that much. It's actually made out of a good plastic material, and it can seem quite durable. So let's go ahead and pull this tab out, and let's click on off. And start. Let's play! Woohoo! Oh, I think I just died. Alright, let's go and try this again. No. There we go, right in and back up. Oh no, he just fell. Ah! But you can actually see that even on the top here, it shows that there is a score, shows your player as well as your lives. It even has a good amount of detail, so very cool aspect, definitely nonetheless, and definitely does bring a lot of nostalgic value to it. Now this here's our volume button on the bottom, so you can control the volume here. This is our start and pause button, and then we have a joystick that does move in 4 different directions. So definitely a very cool product. What do you think, Isma?
It's cool and it's fun.
Yeah, exactly. So let's go ahead and open up the next one and see what that's all about. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up Frogger. You do see the frog on the bottom here. And same thing, on the back it does show it in detail. Now let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like here. So Frogger itself is one of my favorite childhood games, in which you literally just have to cross from one side to the other side without getting hit. And with all that being said, it's actually a lot of fun. And this definitely does bring back a lot of nostalgic value. So let's go ahead and start this. And then we just go ahead and hit start. Alright, there's our little frog on the bottom here. So let's go ahead and cross. Now it's open. Cross. Oh no, it's going to get me. Get on the log. There we go.
Who are you? Which one are you?
I'm that little green dot, which is the frog. Oh, I actually died. Okay, let's try this again. Ah! This is a lot harder than it looks. Ah! Alright, well, there you have it. That's actually a lot of fun. And definitely is a lot harder than it looks, so do keep that in mind if you do buy this. Now, I love all the small graphics that they did on here, in which you can see the frog over here. You got the movement control, start and pause, just as the other one, as well as the volume control. Now it has a very nice bright lid screen that is fully colored as well. So really nice and definitely very unique.
And that's gonna be it.
Yep, this here is Centipede. Now Centipede is another true classic in which you want to go ahead and kill the centipede before it kills you. So you do see the centipede here on the bottom, and then on the back here it just kind of gives you an idea exactly what's going on and how it works. So let's go ahead and open this one up and see what it looks like. Alright, so go ahead and pull the tab. And yeah, once again, a very cool design. You do see that it does have a nostalgic value to it, especially with the side graphic resembling the old school Centipede games. And another thing I want to note is that this particular game has 2 buttons versus the traditional 1 button in the other games. So do keep that in mind. So you get a fire button as well as a start and pause button. So let's turn it on, and then we'll hit start. And let's go ahead and fire and shoot that Centipede. Now the trick is to hit it in the head. No, 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 no. Oh, I just got killed. Alright, let's try this again. Get away from me! Ah. So yeah, there you have it. You know, definitely a very cool aspect, and does resemble the old school Centipede game quite well. Alright, well there you have it. These things are really cool. Not only do they have a lot of nostalgic value, but they actually resemble the real thing quite well. Down to the details itself, you can see that they're actually really unique. What do you think, Isma?
It's cool and it's funner. But
Yeah.
this one's more better.
You like this one the most?
Yeah.
I honestly like Frogger the most. Alright, well with that being said, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye bye.